Who's staying on wheels? And rolling in the 5.0, I got the rag top down so my hair can blow. Yo, what's happening, yo? Man, I'm in the place to be again, man. I'm feeling fine. I got the best omelet in the world in my belly. Got little bitty kitties over there. Meow. Man, look at this, man. We rolling up in the mean streets of Manila again with my best friend. It don't get no better than that. Yo, I got front door service. Gonna get my clothes and we're gonna go. Man, shit. Y'all need to be, I need somebody sitting right here next to me. Now why? Come on. I need one of my friends to come on out here and join me, man, so I can show you what it's all about. We're gonna have the best time in the world. Rolling in the 5.0, I got the rag top down so my hair can blow. We rolling in the Lamborghini, man. I just can't stop saying it because it makes me feel good to roll up in this bitch. And I tell you what, man, we're gonna go do some laundry today. We're gonna do some other stuff and get it done my own way. Up in the Philippines, where you should be to have yourself some fun too, because it's what it's all about. If you ain't enjoying life, you ain't living life, brother. Okay. Alright guys, just dropped off some laundry. We're on the big road. We're rolling hard. We raised some jeepneys up in here, man. We got some fine people riding around us. We beating jeepneys, man. You can't beat no the Lamborghini, you know. We got some strong horsepower power right now, man. Ain't nobody gonna mess with us, man. They go around if we taking the time because we want to shine, right? We're gonna take our time because we want to shine, man. They got all kinds of nice, friendly people around. And there ain't never, ever a dull moment here in Manila, Philippines. We living the dream. Ferrari, it can't take the Lamborghini because we rolling in the 5.0, got the rag top down so my hair can blow. They look at me like I was crazy, but I am, you know, so I expect that, man. Look at that badass armored car, boy. They got some mean looking armored cars around here, man. Look at the 7-Eleven, man. I feel like I stepped back in time. 20 years stepping back in time. Oh shit. Well, the skies are looking great, man. Good thing I got the rag top on. So it can't be raining on my head there and make my hair grow like water and flowers. And you got some laundry going on there, man. You got the policeman everywhere. Well protected around here. Ain't got to worry about running yellow lights, green lights, red lights over here. They got them numbered. They got them numbered so you know how much time you got. The countdown is going on. Tell you what, man. I don't ever want to leave the Philippines. So y'all pitch in there. I'm taking donations. Y'all help me live the dream. Come on, man. Don't be greedy and stingy. Be friendly. And whatever. So, we out. Stop. I ain't got no more to say. It makes any sense. See you later. Man, this is how we're rolling up in here. Hey, man. All right, brother. Yeah. New Orleans, Louisiana, USA. See you. Yo, what's up, man? You on Candy Camera. You're on the Comedy Channel, man. You got any jokes? Look at this, man. We got a busy avenue here, bro. Everywhere you go, it's like this, man. It's so busy. You got a store right next to a store, right next to a store, and they got everything you could possibly want and need. It's all right here, man. Look, shit. Hey, look, man. You would never go hungry here unless you ain't got no peso. Everybody's eating good Filipino food, all home cooked stuff, cooked in a real kitchen, no fast food, no more processed food. I'm feeling better than ever before, man, because I finally get to eat and enjoy myself. I had some at this place here is where you get the cheap breakfast right there, but I go to the other place and get the good omelet, the best omelet in the world. Man, look at that. Lucky J, I like the name of that Lamborghini. Lucky J. Whoa, man, look. It's a busy place, man. It's a busy place. I'm glad and proud to be in the Philippines. I'm already half Filipino, y'all. I'm already half Filipino. I can't go back now. Y'all don't make me suffer and come back home. I know I miss y'all. I know y'all miss me. But I don't want to suffer and go back home, man. I want to stay here for the rest of my life. Y'all help me out with that, please. I don't know how. No. Do what we can do. There's a lot of love for me and you. I'm rolling, whoa, man. Got it all going on up in here, man. We got it going on. Look at the boo-boo. Got some boo-boo juice right there, man. Oh, man. I can't. I'm living the dream, y'all. I really am, man. I love the excitement, man. This place is alive. Alive and kicking and doing well. Alright, y'all. Head on out now. I need to get me another Stig coffee, which means strong. And I'm gonna stop here at the Western Union, pick up a little more dough, and then we're gonna go. I'll catch you on the next one. We out. Bye. So I was rolling up in here, man. I'll be rolling up in here, man. Love it. Love it. Love the ride. Ride. I'll be rolling. Whoa! Always friendly people. They see the camera on. They want to be a movie star, you know? Oh, yeah. You got a lot of stuff, man. I mean, you can't go 100 feet without somebody or something or somewhere happening. What you got going on? You turn around, we're gonna go against the flow, man. We're rolling in the 5.0. That's how we go. Alright, we here where we need to be, so we're gonna catch you on the next one, y'all. Little bit of the scene. Super Turbo! First one I've seen here in the Philippines. It's a wet when we doing donuts over here when nobody's looking. We're doing donuts in the Lamborghini because it's wet. We ain't doing nothing but having fun in it. We're gonna get a push from the jeepney in a minute. Smoke by the Jeep. That's what you call mosquito repellent here in the Philippines. You don't want mosquitoes biting you, just hanging out by the Jeep. They put out the mosquito, like the guy come and spray for mosquitoes in the neighborhood. The Jeepney's got an automatic mosquito sprayer right out the exhaust pipe. Check out that tree right there, y'all. It's got these strings that hang from it, man. It's mystique. The mysterious. You see some things. Look at that light pole. It's got a big giant light bulb. These are some scenes from the Philippines for you to take to bed tonight and dream. Rough riding here, man. Rough riding, rolling through the hood in my neighborhood, on my street, mean streets of Manila. Dog house. Got all the little kids, man. Rough riding on these mean streets. I'm happy living my life, finally. Got lunch right there. Getting fat. Another one. Water here. We home. We are home, fellas. You step out the Lamborghini. Shut this Lamborghini door. Suicide door. Kick it, man. My friend right here. My good friend. Right, man. I get another Astig. Yes. Slow ride, take it easy. Slow ride, take it sleazy. Rolling in the 5.0. Y'all know the rest of that story already. We going, man. Always going, man. I'm a gone for gone on the other side of the world. Loving life, living life, happy. I wish everybody would be happy too. I hope you are. Goodbye. Rough riding. We're rough riding around the neighborhood, and everything's looking good. We'll give me some fruit for a little while. Try to stay as healthy as I can. Got a lot of living to do around here. Gotta have my energy to go, go, go. Rough riding up in the city, Manila. Rough riding, rough riding, rough riding. Little Lamborghini. I need to help me get a car. I need to help me get a car. Or a motorbike. telling you, man. This place is alive. Really alive, y'all. Alright guys, we've been rolling all day. We finally made it around back to the home front. We've been rolling all day to get a little bit of money from the Western Union. We're out on the big road now. Gotta take a little right turn and be home. Finally made it. Hope you enjoyed this little stroll. Super bouncy, super rough, super cut. Little stroll around in the Lamborghini. Mean streets of Manila. The rain is coming down. We here. We got y'all later on the next one. This is how he gotta change his diaper. The cute little puppy. Yeah. Look at him, he pampered. He got a spot for the tail.
Poopers? Si poo-poo ba? Si poo-poo.
Yeah, let's put his poo-poo in his pee-pee. A puppy with a diaper. And this is how you do it here in the Philippines. Cook in the sink. Got the master chef right here. Young man. How old are you? Old man. Hey man. Before I cook up some food, he made it smell so good in here. I gotta go out to eat. Every time he cook, I gotta go out to eat because I get hungry. Balut. Balut. Oh yeah. How much is a balut?
30 pesos.
30 peso only.
20.
Oh, 20. It looks tasty. I told my friend that when she with me.
Yan o. Ang dalawa. Akong dalawa.
Oh shit, he's mad. What's the name of that game? Pog. Pog. This is Pog.